Alright, so this is the last Christmas picking tutorial part 2. The first tutorial taught you how to pick this first page. Today we're going to be looking at this second part, and it repeats again one more time in the song. So there are actually two different picking parts, the first page and then this page here. Alright, so here's how the second part of it sounds with the metronome, so you can hear the beats. Alright, so this is how the first part of that second page of the picking goes. 9, 12, 9, 9, 11, 9, 10, 12, 10, 11. Alright, so that much again. 9, 12, 9, 9, 11, 9, 10, 12, 10, 11. Alright, now we're going on to the 12, 9, 10, 7, 7 part. 12, 9, 10, 7, 7. So the 12, 9, 10, 7, 7 part. 12, 9, 10, 7, 7. And then we're going on to the 14, 10, 12, 9, 9 part. So it goes 14, 10, 12, 9, 9. Right, so that part again. 14, 10, 12, 9, 9. Alright, here's the whole thing of that second picking page. So here it goes. 9, 12, 9, 9, 11, 9, 10, 12, 10, 11. 12, 9, 10, 7, 7. 14, 10, 12, 9, 9.